what's up, everybody? It's your main man here, DJ Ron the Mechanic, here back with another video. So today, y'all, look, we have a unboxing. That's right, we got an unboxing today. My good friends over there at SuperClean, they sent me some product want me to test out. You know, so I'm like, okay, cool. I might go ahead and send it. So let's see what we're working with. So yeah, so they sent me some products for the review. So hey, look, let's go ahead and check it out, see what they sent me. Okay, so right off the top, we got some SuperClean Degreaser. Okay, in the can. Okay. So we got some more degreaser right here in the spray bottle. Hey, trust me, we can always use that degreaser to get something done. And they sent me some wheel cleaner. So yeah, that would definitely come in handy right there. And here's a little pamphlet showing their whole lineup, what they have. You see they have the original degreaser, they have the foaming trigger, they have the all-wheel cleaner, the aerosol can, and the floor absorbent. So yeah, you get 5 choices. So I got 3 of them right here, which is pretty good. And you can also find their products at these stores right here. So I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all go to these stores, especially me. I can tell you which ones I go to the most. O'Reilly's, Lowe's, Ace, Amazon, and Advance, of course, and old Walmart. Yeah, I'm always at those there. So yeah, you can definitely find their products there. Now, I'm gonna tell you what I did kind of off camera. What I did, I had already took this out and I sprayed it on my driveway. Let me tighten this down real quick. Yeah, I already had sprayed some on the garage floor pretty much already. You see those oil spots right there pretty much? It wasn't for mine. So what I did, see, I went on and sprayed some on a spot that had a lot of oil spots dried up pretty much right there. So it's been sitting down for about at least 10 minutes. So I'm letting it just go ahead and do what it gotta do. So let's go ahead and look. I wanna see this demonstration. I wanna see how good this, how good that degreaser handles something real tough, you know what I'm saying? I mean, those spots have been down there since we bought the house, you know, so it wasn't from our cars. No, our cars are not leaking. So this is their degreaser. This right here, this is what I use to spray on it. So this one here, they say, you know, you can use it on engines, grills, brakes. So, oh, look, check it out. You can use it on, look, tools, driveways, outdoor furniture, marine, kitchens, bathrooms, concrete, in which this is concrete, fiberglass, stainless steel. So, okay. Now, hey, look, it's been sitting like 10 minutes at least, easily, before I turned the camera on. So, look, I'm about to crank this drill up. Let's see how good it do. Okay. Not too bad, y'all. That was now. I will say, let me see. I probably got to maybe let it one little spot soak a little bit more. That's that little spot right there where it was like real super heavy, whatever. I probably scrape it, but man, y'all see, look at that. Yeah, you did get those majority of those little small spots up. I mean, real good though. Yeah, buddy. Okay. So not bad at all, y'all. And like I said, that was just from 10 minutes of soaking in with this right here. That was 10 minutes of soaking. So wow, not bad. So that let me know, shoot, like for something real heavier, I probably say, shoot, if that was 10 minutes, I'd probably say let it double that. You know what I'm saying? I probably say let it sit by a good 20 minutes just to make sure it eat it up. But that ain't too bad though. 10 minutes of setting. Cause I can definitely vouch, hey, my little concrete right there wasn't looking that good at all. Not at all, y'all. So yeah, that's pretty good. So guess what? I'm gonna do the same thing on this spot too. With this degreaser. I'm gonna spray it on there real good. Yeah, buddy. I want a heavy coat. All right. So there. I'm gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. Hey, once 10 minutes up, then hey, look, I'll be back and we'll do a scrubbing and see how that works. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So now what I'm doing now, it actually hasn't been 10 minutes. It's like more like about maybe 5 minutes. And I see the suds kind of like, drying up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and try just letting it sit about 5 minutes and see how good it do. Let's see what it's working with. Once again, that's this right here. It's the aerosol can. And of course, like I said, here it is in the spray bottle right here also. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what this SuperClean do. Now, this is 5 minutes here. Now, so let's see. And of course, yes, I'm using my drill. Should have got my cordless one. Oh, wow. Hey, tell me what y'all think. Now, that was from 5 minutes of letting it sit. 5 minutes. And the other one I did 10 minutes. That was 5 minutes. Not too bad, y'all. There it is once again right there. That's super clean. That degreaser right there. Like I said, 5 minutes, y'all. Not bad. You know? And of course, yeah, hey, I am using my drill now, you know, to power scrub it, but still. I like that. My concrete wasn't looking that clean for a while, I can tell you that much. So yeah, I am definitely happy with that result there. Yes, indeed. So I got some soaking over there too. But yeah, that looks pretty good. I like that. Came out real good there. Cause I kid you not, I was wondering, I'm like, man, how in the world I'm gonna get those little oil spots up? I mean, those oil spots been sitting there. And when I say been sitting there on that concrete right there, put it like this, let me see. We bought the house in July of last year. September, December. Man, you talking about at least 7 months easily. Or more that been sitting down there. Hey. Yeah. I'm happy with it. I would definitely be using this on a lot of these little spots on here. For sure. Yes. I mean, I know y'all have other products out there too, but hey, look, just get a can and just give it a try. Do like I did, hey, spray it on there, 5 minutes. No, and let it do what it do, and then, hey, hit it with the scrubber. Yes, sir. So, yes, I would definitely say, hey, if you haven't tried SuperClean products out, hey, go ahead and try those right there. Go ahead and try it now. Yeah, I may not have used the wheel cleaner yet because our cars, they already detailed already. So, but when they do get dirty, yeah, I'm gonna definitely try it out on the wheels for sure. But yes, I'm definitely liking that degreaser though. Yes, I'm liking that. Yes, indeed. Boy, that concrete sure look good now. Yes, I'm liking that. So, yeah, y'all. Hey, tell me what y'all think about it. Super clean. Tell me what y'all think. Look at that. Now, y'all seen how it was before I sprayed it. Y'all seen that. And we talking about that all been down there. And look at that spot there. Look at that, both spots. Yes, sir. Look, this one here just about finished drying up. I'm gonna hit that too. But yeah, I like it though. So hey, I'm satisfied with it. So hey, look, why don't y'all go ahead and give it a try too, man. Yes, sir. I got me something new to clean with for sure. I ain't gotta worry about all them oil spots. So, all right, y'all, look. Once again, hey, look, it's DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Hey, look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss out on a video. That's right. Oh, yeah, and by the way, got another video coming about the upgrades to the car. Oh, I know y'all can't wait to see what I did. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. That's all I can tell you. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. This DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Hey, I am out, and I will catch y'all on the next video.